It's been talked about for years, but the day is finally near. The Ford Ranger is coming back to America, ready to duke it out in the suddenly growing midsize truck segment. Going into production later this year, the 2019 Ranger has been designed for those who blend city living with more off-the-grid adventures on weekends. Not everyone who wants a truck needs F-150 level size and capability, so the Ranger will take up that slack for customers who head off-road to recharge. Ford says the Ranger is an affordable, rugged, and maneuverable midsize pickup with new features that make driving easier and more fun, both on and off-road. The powerful but fuel-efficient 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine with auto start-stop technology has been chosen as the sole motor, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission just like in its bigger brother. Specifics concerning the powertrain have yet to be revealed, but that four-cylinder engine currently produces 280 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque in the Explorer, the only other Ford-branded truck to use it. Using steel as opposed to aluminum body panels, the Ranger will be offered in entry-level XL, mid-level XLT, and high-level Lariat trims, with available chrome and sport appearance and FX off-road packages in Super Cab or Super Crew configurations. The FX4 provides additional trail capability with off-road tuned shocks, all-terrain tires, a frame-mounted heavy-gauge steel front bash plate, and frame-mounted skid plates. It also features the terrain management system with 4 drive modes. Power is distributed through Dana independent front and solid rear axles on both 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive models, with an available electronic locking rear axle for increased all-terrain traction. 4-wheel drive versions feature 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low settings. For TestDriveNow.com, I'm Steve Hammis.